friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who know, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. So here on my channel, I talk about pretty much anything related beauty, health, mid-size fashion, do a lot of DIY lashes. But today I wanted to kind of go through and talk about liquid eyeshadow. So for me, liquid eyeshadow is I hate to use the word dummy proof because I feel like that's negative, but if you're struggling with eyeshadow and you're not sure where to start, or you're like, hey, I don't like powder, or maybe you have maturing eyelids and powder is just getting like it's harder to blend out, then liquid eyeshadow is definitely for you. So one thing that I absolutely love about it is it's super easy. It is so easy to apply. And I'm gonna be doing a separate video about all my favorite liquid eyeshadows, so stay tuned for that. I wanted to make this one kind of short and sweet. But basically, I'm gonna show you guys what I normally do and how I apply liquid eyeshadow. And the one, like my number one favorite liquid eyeshadow, because of not only the formulation, the price, but also the color, is the Mary Kay Pink Pink Starlight. It comes in this, it is super travel friendly. This bad boy will last you a long time, even though it looks super small, almost looks like a sample size, it will last you a long time. But I wanna show you the color. Oh, now they have 4 other colors. They have a pink one, they have more of a bronzy one, and I can't remember the other color, but they have 4. I honestly and truly wish they would come out with more colors because this formulation is beautiful. It lasts all day, it's easy to apply, it doesn't crease, and they're just super pigmented. So the 2 brushes that I like to apply them with are actually Mary Kay as well. And so I just find, I've got like these are the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. What else do I have? I've got some MAC brushes in here. I've got some Real Techniques. I got some more Morphe in here. These 2 for applying liquid eyeshadow, they're amazing. Now this is the Mary Kay, what the heck is it? I don't even know. I think this is like the eye blending brush, and then this one is I don't know. The funny thing is they put it in French. It's not in English though, but I will link them. Oh no, here. So this one is for cream color, and then this one is for eye blending. So I like this one for eye blending, even though they say that you can use it with powder. I don't particularly like it with powder, but I think it does a beautiful job with blending out the liquid eyeshadows. This one I like because it's a flatter end. You can see here, it's a little bit flat. It's got a pointy end. I like it especially if I'm wearing DIY lashes and I'm able to really use this and get close to the lash line without getting into the lashes. So I like these collectively together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to apply a decent amount. And then I'm gonna go in with the blending one and I'm just gonna blend it out. Now you can decide, you can choose to do your lashes before or after this. I just decided to do it before. In all honesty, I would recommend you do your eye look first and then go in with mascara so you don't mess it up. But that's it. Like, look at how pretty it's blended out. Now I'm gonna do a little bit more because you can see here, I've got a vein and plus I've got hooded eyelids. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna blend this out just a little bit more. And so I'm going in and kind of tapping and blending. I'm not really going crazy. I'm not like aggressive, but I'm also not like shoving my brush in there. I'm just going very gently. You can see here, blend it out. You can see I didn't even put primer on. I didn't put concealer on. That was my naked eyelid. You can see veins and all this stuff. Look how pretty that covers it up. And it's not gonna crease, which is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. And the other thing I love about liquid eyeshadow is it takes 2 seconds. You don't have to sit there and blend it out for a long time. You don't have to worry about the coverage. You don't have to do a primer. It is awesome for travel. So if you're going on a trip and you want to look put together, but you don't want to bring a ton of stuff, this is it. Liquid eyeshadows are where it's at. And it's dummy proof. You don't have to know how to blend. You don't have to be a makeup artist. You can just literally be getting into makeup, or maybe you're somebody who's never played with eyeshadows because they're so scary. That's it. I am not professional. I don't blend very well. Eyeshadows, like powder eyeshadows, give me problems as well. But when I use liquid eyeshadows, I feel like a pro. It is amazing. So you can see here. But like I said, this one, look at this. This is fully dry. It is not creasing at all. I'm gonna put a little bit more right here because I feel like it's a little bit. See, like, look how pretty. Look at how easy that blends out. Now with this color, I would not bring this down on my lower lid because it's a little bit shimmery and I don't like shimmer colors on my lower lid. But generally what I do, the other brand that I like is Senegence. So Senegence also comes out. These are the Eyeshadow Senses, and I really, really like them as well. But I'll just take a little bit here. And I'm going to, again, take that blending brush. And what I like about this is I always use a matte on my bottom part. So I don't use sparkles on my bottom lashes. But look how easy that's blending out, and I'm not using a lot of pressure. So you see those like YouTube videos where girls are going in with like this, and I was one of them, but I would take powder and like, and blend, 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 because powder just blends. It doesn't blend out as pretty as or easily as liquid eyeshadows and whatever. Well, now that I'm starting to get those little fine lines and wrinkles, I don't want to be ripping my eyeballs. So this is so gentle. Like, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on there. I'm literally blending out the product, making sure. And what I also like about it is it goes into those fine lines and wrinkles and it helps smooth them out. So I'm not gonna have any creasing. I'm not gonna have any movement. It smooths that area out right there, but I didn't apply a lot of product and I didn't apply a lot of pressure. So especially with maturing eyelids, liquid eyeshadows are awesome. I really, really like them. But look at how put together that looks. Like, I look put together. Super easy, very easy, super affordable. It's one color, one sweep of color. I'm out the door in less than 5 minutes, and it's super travel friendly. So if you're looking for all that stuff, I would definitely recommend. I'm gonna put the link to this. In full disclosure, I don't consider myself a Mary Kay consultant, but I do have a consultant website because I use Mary Kay products. Like, I don't sell them, like I don't actively sell them, but I use Mary Kay products. I've got a ton of videos on Mary Kay stuff, but I will leave my link below. If you're somebody who doesn't necessarily want a consultant and you just want to go on there and purchase stuff and you don't want somebody to hound you, well then I'm your girl. I can help answer any questions, but I'm not like actively pursuing it, if that makes any sense. So I will link my website down below. If you do not have a consultant, but you don't necessarily want somebody to like, you're just looking to buy products, check out my website. If you do have a consultant, definitely ask them about this. It is the Pink Starlight Mary Kay, beautiful. And then I will also link the 2 brushes below. So in case you're interested in those as well. And then I will link for the Senegence one, and I'll be doing more videos about this. So definitely stay tuned. But if you're interested in like Senegence, girls, come on. Let me show you what I'm working with. These are all the colors that I have. So when I say I've tried them and I like them, I'm saying that I like them. I do not sell Senegence. I have no affiliation with them whatsoever, but I absolutely love their products. So these are awesome for they have liquid lips, but these are also for shadows. But Mary Kay, this one is my absolute favorite because it's so pretty and it's so easy. So anyways, enough of me talking. I'll link everything down below. I'll link the lady that I use for my Senegence. She's amazing. Follow her. She's absolutely gorgeous. She does such a good job of showcasing the different colors and combinations and tips and tricks. So she's a great one to follow as well. If you have any questions, leave them below. Until next time, bye.